हौ सो जने प्रिवेल करिवो आ जने रिट्रीट करिवो फेरी जीवो आफ्टर द मेल्स कंप्लीट दिस स्टेज it is the female who go on to war battling over the best nest site माने को बेस्ट साइट रे से माने रहिबे over the fights are once the fights are over the mother varial makes a nest hole mother कोन करिवो से साइट रे 40 to 50 cm deep रे गोटे होल बनेबो with her hind feet into which she lays about 50 large eggs. से गोटे large egg दबो 50 टा. She then covers the nest. तापरे nest को cover कर दो egg देला परे. Tossing sands over it. So तापरे sands पके दबो. Okay, over the area to hide her tracks from the predator such as kiki, hyena, jackals and mongoose. Okay, से कौन करियो टॉस पके दबो over the area to hide her tracks. पर से जाईची कोड प्लान को रखीची सेटा न जणिया पे से कौन करियो पके दबो. Before returning to the river to keep watch from a distance. So से कौन करिवो से दिन तथापि जाई नै कुआडे she will be watching she will take a keep watch from the distance so बहुत दूर देखियो बसी. Many crocodilians are attentive parents से माने भलो attention नियंती बट मैंने पूरा अटेंशन नेबे एटे रहिबे जाईकरी से ये रे बैंक रे बट लिटिल वाज नोन अबाउट हाउ घरियाल्स केयर फॉर देयर यंग until I observe our captive breeding population. So आमे ताको कैप्टिव करने छु आमे ताको बांधी रखिछु से ब्रीडिंग जो छोट छोट अंडा सब आमे ए जो ताको छुआ उडा कैप्टिंग ब्रीडिंग पॉपुलेशन सेटा आमे रखिछु. One day I noticed a mother begin to dig up her nest. से कौन करथला dig up her nest. As I got closer, I could hear her babies calling from beneath the sand. They were also calling from the sand. Okay, beneath the sand. Sand तळु से डाकुथले. Just as other young crocodiles do. अन्य माने जेंति डाकंती से माने डाकुथले. It can take mother crocodiles hours to help their babies reach the water. Okay, and they cannot see exactly where the youngsters are. They often mistake rocks, eggshells, blood of bat, and even baby turtles गुड़ा जो आसीबो ताको भी for their own young से माने भाबुतिले एटा हमर छुआ बोली हैला एटा सब भाबुतिले. हां अच्छा and will tenderly carry them to the river. आ ताको से माने भी धरि करी भी रिवर पाखु आस्तले से छुआ उडा धरि के. The female dog with her front feet until she flipped out a baby. Flip out बाहर करवा हैला बाहर करथले until she flipped out to a baby which landed by her hind feet. Okay, so सोटा की कोड रखुथले हिंड फीट पाखर रखुथला. से एग्जैक्टिवेटेड माने बाहर करथला खोली की बाहर करियो कोनती एग्जैक्टिवेटेड the rest of the nest and then turned around तापर कोन करियो जुआरी बुली जो slid into the river पळेबो पड़े रिवर को पळेबो. for 36 babies followed, rather like ducklings. Okay. Alerted by all the activity, the male stayed nearby. अच्छा, male भी nearby था. When he swam close, the baby climbed into his head. ता ऊपर चढ़ गई, transforming him from an aggressive fighter into a devoted parent. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସେ ବେବି को ଦେଖୁଛି, आगुर खाली युद्ध करथला, बेबी को देखिकरी से हे जो गोटे डेवोटेड पेरेंट, भलो पेरेंट हे जो. बोथ adults then guarded the youngsters. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ହେଲା କିଏ ରହିଲା, ମଦର ଥିଲା, ଏବେ ଫାଦର. ଦେ ଗାର୍ड କରନ୍ତି youngsters को. अच्छा, in the wild their business is so sorry कौन कौची, in the wild their behavior is no doubt similar. Okay, both adults then guarded the youngsters. तो दी जन जाक मिसी जगिबे. in the wild their behavior is no doubt similar. तेणु कहया गले they were carrying their babies, both husband and wife. Up to 100 years ago, the Gharial's boss knot resonated among the deep rivers for the northern India subcontinent. कौन कहूँ, up to the 100 years ago, the Gharial's boss knot से जो साउंड करती resonated, मैंने जोटा इको होगा resonance along the deep rivers of the northern India subcontinent. सबले से माने पानी रे थांती. Not for the Gharial, the still waters of ponds or lakes where other crocodiles thrive. Okay, this is a river dweller that eats only fish. से कौन करे, fish केवल खाइबो. Unfortunately, this choice of habitat and diet has been the Gharial's downfall. तेणु एथि जोगु से माने डाउनफॉल हेले. माने जो चॉइस तांकर थिला खाली कौन खाइबे, माछ ହେଲା. तो ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେମାନେ କମି କମି ଗଲେ. अच्छा, डाउनफॉल माने कमी कमी जीवा. Its rivers are being dammed. डैम भी है गला सूत्रे, डैम है गला, डैम माने जो ब्रिज है गला, which means that group of Gharials are separated from each other and they are forced to live in a rapidly sinking habitats. डैम ଯେତେବେଳେ ହେଇଗଲା, ଏପଟେ ମେଞ୍ଚେ ରହିଲେ, ସେପଟେ ମେଞ୍ଚେ ରହିଲେ, ତେଣୁ ସେମାନେ ଅଲଗା ଅଲଗା ରହିଲେ. अच्छा, its rivers are being dammed, which means that groups of Gharials are separated from each other and they are forced to live rapidly sinking habitats. Forced to live in rapidly sinking habitats. After the last ice age, the Gharials staked out about 20,000 square kilometers of rivers. So कहूँ जे लास्ट आइस एज पर Gharials कमी जाती, केतिकी हो जाती, 20,000 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर्स ऑफ रिवर्स रखा है एतिकी जगह से छड़ा है और 20,000 किलोमीटर स्क्वायर किलोमीटर्स ऑफ रिवर्स स्पैनिंग फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान टू म्यांमार. एते बात छाड़ दिया. Today this its domain is a more 200 square kilometers and gradually decreasing. Today its domain is near 200 square kilometers. এটা जो लिखिथिला आगो लिखिथिला केते 20,000 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर एबे लिखिला 200 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर कारण बहुत लोक रही गलेनी तेणु ये जो एरिया कमी गला to counter this decline and that of other Indian crocodiles, Project Crocodile was set up in 1974 by the Indian government with the help from the UN. आमर गोटे कौन करा प्रोजेक्ट क्रोकोडाइल गोटे करा 1974 throughout the 1970s and 80s मैंने 70 ରୁ 70 71 72 75 76 80s and 80 82 84 like that. We carried out surveys, behavioral studies and captive breeding. आमे सबू captive breeding कलु लोक घरियाला आनिकरी तांको पाळिलु हैला. We reared thousands of youngsters and released them in a protected area. तापर तांको नेगिरी पाळिला परे टिके बड़ होला परे तांको protected area रे नेगी छाड़ देलु. Sadly, few of these crocodiles survived for long. जमा अल्प बचिले but we can't say but we didn't know why किछि बंचिले. अच्छा for example the beautiful Sattokoshiya gorge a Sattokoshiya gorge in Odisha. Sattokoshiya gorge माने गंड Sattokoshiya appears to have everything a gharial could want: fish, sandbanks, projection ହେଲା everything तारो थिला तारो Sattokoshiya गंडर. Threads such as bamboo rafting and nest fitting. Okay, bamboo rafting, net fishing have been eliminated. माने एटा कोन कहूची bamboo rafting and net fishing. तो नेट रे मरा जाए ये तो जाऊची और 5 मिनट छाड़ जाऊची. So the bamboo rafting and net fishing have been eliminated. How नदीरे करा जाउनी. Yet only two of the 700 gharials released. हैला जमा दीटा released here in the past 3 decades. There is 30 decades, 3 decades 30 years सेमानों को छाड़ी दे देछि अब सर्वाइव. So only 2 of the 700 gharials released here. ओहो इति जो gharial सेठी छडा हेतला रिलीज करा हेतला here in the past 3 decades 30 वर्ष भितरे इति जो 700 gharial तक मन छडा हेतला हैला 3 decades have survived हैला. So only 2 of the 700 gharials survived. जम्मा 2-3 टा survive हेछि. ବଞ୍ଚିଛନ୍ତି. When I visited the gorge during the monsoon in mid-July, I saw how small streams had become torrents. Small stream गुड़ा बड़ा बड़ा हो जाएगा. The river had eroded the banks and uprooted trees. ହେଲା. The released gharials were obviously being flushed down river. H. Released gharials obviously being flushed down river. ହେଲା, जोड़ाକୁ छड़ा ହେଇଛି ହେଲା, ସେମାନେ ତଳକୁ ଟିକେ ପଳେଇଛନ୍ତି. Out of the protected area ରୁ ବାହାରକୁ ପଳେଇଛନ୍ତି ହେଲା, and even into the sea. କେତେ ଗୁଡେ सी की भी पଳେଇଛନ୍ତି ହେଲା, सी को. One was seen under on a beach. ଗୋଟେ beach ରେ ବି ଗୋଟେ ଦେଖା ହେଇଛି ଘରିଆଲ କୁ. Others in mangroves, in forest and ponds ରେ ଦେଖା ଯାଇଛି ହେଲା. Those that ended up in tributaries were caught in fishing nets. जो माने ट्रिब्यूटरी ଭିତରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ହେଲା, ଯୋଉମାନେ ନଦୀ ପାଖାପାଖି ଅଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଫିशिଂ ନେଟ୍ ରେ ବି ଧରା ହେଇଛି. Fishing is a massive problem in supposedly protected areas. Okay, protected areas. We saw several gharials. Fishing is a massive problem. Fishing in supposedly protected areas, we saw several gharials whose snouts had got tangled in a nylon fishing nets. तांकर tangle हो जाए, कौन हो जाए, tangle हो जाए, छंदी हो जाए, है ना? It was clear that despite the rules, nets were being set at night. Actually, net भी बना जाए, है ना? Entangling gharials, घरियाल को छंदी दिया जाए, entangle करा जाए, that tried to swim them. It was clear that despite the rules, rule अच्छी तरह बांधिबनी, किंतु nets are being set at night. Night रे बंधा जाए. Entangling gharials that tried to swim through them. जो मैंने ताप ଦେଇକିରି ଯିବେ ସ୍ୱିମ୍ କରିକିରି ହେଲା, ନେଟ୍ ଦେଇକି ସେମାନେ ଧରା ପଡିବେ ଏବଂ ଏଣ୍ଟାଙ୍ଗଲ ହେଇଯିବେ. ଆଚ୍ଛା, or attended to eat the netted fish. ଯଦି ଆଟେଣ୍ଡ କରିବେ ଯିବାକୁ ନେଟ୍ କୁ ବାହାର କରି ଫିସ୍ କୁ ଦେବା, ଫିସ୍ କୁ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ଚାହିଁବେ, ଇଟ୍ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହିଁବେ, ତାହେଲେ ବି ଧରା ପଡିବେ. The candidates didn't drown, but they were left unable to open their jaws and thus in danger of starving to death. So, the crocodiles didn't know, but they were left unable to open their jaws. Okay, ସେମାନେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଆମେ ଛାଡିଦବାନି, ମାନେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଧରିଲେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଛାଡା ହବନି, but they were left unable to play their jaws. ତାଙ୍କ jaws କୁ ବି ବାନ୍ଧି ଦିଆଯାଏ, and thus in danger of starving to death. Okay, so okay, the crocodiles did not drown, but they were left unable to open their jaws, and thus in danger of starving to death. ହେଲା ତେଣୁ ସେମାନେ ତାକୁ ଖାଇପାରିବେନି, ତାକୁ ବାନ୍ଧି ଦିଆଯାଇଛି ତାଙ୍କ ମୁହଁ, ତେଣୁ ସେଠି ସେମାନେ ମରିଯିବେ, ଯଦି ହେଲା ଖାଇ ନ ପାରିବେ ମରିଯିବେ। Clearly, though the ଘରିଆଲ is not in as much danger as before, ଏବେ ଆଉ ବେଶୀ ଡେଞ୍ଜରରେ ନାହାନ୍ତି, ଏବେ ବହୁତ ଇଏ ହେଇଗଲାଣି। Our 30-year strategy of captive breeding ହେଲା ଯୋଉ ରଖିକି ଆମେ ଗାଧଉଛେ ହେଲା, ସରି ଗାଧଉଛେ captive breeding କଣ କହିଥିଲି? Clearly, though the ଘରିଆଲ is not in as much danger as before, ଆଗରୁ ଏତେ ଯେମିତି ଥିଲା ଏବେ ସେତେ ଡେଞ୍ଜର ନାହିଁ। Our 30-year strategy of captive breeding ମାନେ ଯୋଉ ତାଙ୍କୁ ରଖିକିରି ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ପାଳୁଛେ ହେଲା, ବ୍ରିଡ୍ କରୁଛେ, ସେଇଥିରୁ ଛୁଆ ବାହାରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେଇ ଅଣ୍ଡାରୁ ହେଲା, ସେ ଛୁଆ ଗୁଡାକୁ ରଖୁଛେ, ଓକେ, has not been enough ହେଲା, ମାନେ ଏତେ ଜୋରରେ ଆମେ କରିନେ। The species face an uncertain future and its survival is closely linked with the needs of the humans dependent on the rivers ହେଲା। Species face an uncertain future, ତାଙ୍କର future uncertain, future ତାଙ୍କର ବେଶୀ ଭଲ ନାହିଁ, and its survival is closely linked with the needs of the humans dependent on rivers। ଆମେ ଯୋଉ ବେଶୀ river କୁ dependent କରୁଛେ ସେଟା ବି ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ danger। Our campaign is part of a such larger effort, ତେଣୁ ଆମେ ଯୋଉ ଗୋଟେ campaign କରୁଛେ ହେଲା, ଏଟା ଗୋଟେ larger effort to ensure the survival of these rivers, ତେଣୁ କେମିତି river ଗୁଡା survive ହବ। Okay, the threats from the development, pollution and climate change increase day by day। Okay, threats, development ରୁ threat ବାହାରୁଛି ହେଲା, pollution ହଉଛି ତାର ବି threat ଅଛି, climate change ହଉଛି ତାର ବି threat ଅଛି, ଏଟା ସବୁ increase କରୁଛି day by day। But we are hopeful about that people are at last ready to do what it takes to save the ঘরিয়াল। Okay, but we are hopeful that people are at last ready to do what it takes to save the ঘরিয়াল, the finest example of a ହେଲା, ତେଣୁ people will make, so people are at last ready to do, okay, all those things what it takes to save the ঘরিয়াল। So how the ঘরিয়াল will be saved, people will do that। The finest example of a healthy river, that means when people will be careful, then everything will be okay। That will be the finest example, that people are cautious।